MagSafe-compatible cases, which combine magnetic attachment capabilities with added convenience, making wireless charging, accessory mounting, and style adjustments easier than ever. In this video, we explore 3 standout MagSafe cases for the Z Flip 7.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Spigen Nano Pop Case. The Spigen Nano Pop Case is a vibrant and modern take on MagSafe protection for the Z Flip 7. Crafted from flexible TPU with integrated MagSafe ring magnets, this case offers a precise fit that keeps the Flip 7's folding mechanism unhindered. Its iconic pop of color of the MagSafe circle not only adds personality but also makes magnet alignment intuitive and fast. The raised bezels protect the folded screen and camera modules, while the smooth, matte surface resists fingerprints and sliding in hand. This case maintains the device's slim profile without adding unnecessary bulk, which is essential for pocket-friendly usage. The tactile button covers ensure responsive feedback, and the case supports snap-on MagSafe accessories such as magnetic wallets and stands. Ideal for users who want a playful aesthetic combined with secure MagSafe compatibility, the Spigen Nano Pop Case proves that functionality and flair can go hand in hand. On number 2, we have Ringke Fusion Case. For those who prefer a clearer view of their Galaxy Z Flip 7's design, the Ringke Fusion Case offers an excellent transparent solution enhanced with MagSafe features. Made from rigid PC backplate and TPU bumpers, this case showcases the device's original look while reinforcing the corners and edges for better drop resistance. The integrated metal MagSafe ring built into the back ensures stable mounting to chargers and other magnetic accessories. The glossy, crystal-clear finish is treated to resist yellowing over time, preserving the phone's appearance. The case maintains ultra-thin minimalism and lightweight protection, keeping the folded dimensions compact while offering everyday defense. Despite its transparency, the case doesn't compromise on usability. All ports, buttons, and hinge movements remain fully accessible. With the Ringke Fusion Case, users can show off their Flip 7 in all its glory while taking full advantage of MagSafe convenience. On number 3, we have Loobival Carbon Fiber Case. If your priorities are high-end aesthetics, durability, and advanced protection, the Loobival Carbon Fiber Case is a wallet-worthy pick. Featuring a dual-layer design that combines impact-resistant polycarbonate with a stylish carbon fiber textured back, this case exudes a premium feel. The integrated MagSafe ring magnet ensures solid magnetic hold-in for wireless charging and compatible stands without compromising foldability. Featuring a carbon fiber pattern, this case delivers a modern and refined appearance. It supports MagSafe compatibility, allowing for effortless attachment of magnetic accessories. The built-in 360-degree rotating kickstand offers flexible, hands-free viewing from any angle. Designed with heavy-duty shock-absorbing materials, it provides robust protection to keep your phone safe from impacts and everyday accidents. For users who demand luxury looks combined with military-grade style protection and MagSafe compatibility, the Loobival Carbon Fiber Case delivers a sophisticated and functional solution. So these are some of the best cases to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.